October 11th. Trouble in the evening. Isaiah chapter 17 verses 13 to 14. The nations will rush like the rushing of many waters, but God will rebuke them and they will flee far away, and be chased like the chaff of the mountains before the wind, like a rolling thing before the whirlwind. Then, behold, an eventide, trouble, and before the morning he is no more. This is the portion of those who plunder us, and the lot of those who rob us. What do Assyria, Babylon, and the Roman Empire have in common? All of them, at one time or another, conquered Israel. Yet, they share another commonality. None of them exists today as a nation. You will never get an Assyrian stamp in your passport. No one will ever proudly announce to you, "I'm a Babylonian." None of these once powerful nations has survived into the 20th century, but Israel has. Throughout history, men and nations have demonstrated their hatred for God's people. The Roman Emperor Diocletian is a good example. He issued an edict in 303 AD designed to annihilate the Christian religion and destroy the Bible. The emperor even built a monument on which were inscribed the words Extinto nomine Christianorum. The name Christian is extinguished. Only 25 years later, however, the emperor was dead and the new ruler, Constantine, commissioned 50 copies of the Bible to be prepared at government expense. Are you facing persecution at work or school? Maybe people in your own family are seeking to discourage you from living out your Christian faith. God never promised that you wouldn't face these kinds of trials. What He did promise, however, was that ultimately those who afflict His people will fail. Your day of difficulties may seem long, but it won't last forever. Take heart, morning is coming, and when the sun rises, the night of despair is no more. For every night of trouble, there is a morning of glory. Amen.